Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers, and tonight we're coming at you with a random for a one-box break of 2012 Contenders football. All names have been entered into random.org. I'm going to randomize it 6 times, and I want to wish everyone good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, all names going to be put into the spreadsheet. I'll read you up the teams and also give you the opportunity to trade if you guys would like to. Alright guys, here we go. Then Jimmy, I have to say yuck. Good luck with that, Kenon. Alright guys, here we go. Kenon W with the Arizona Cardinals. Shane C with the Atlanta Falcons. Jimmy B with the Baltimore Ravens. Chris C with the Buffalo Bills. Chris C with the Carolina Panthers. Shane C with the Chicago Bears. The Case Breakers with the Cincinnati Bengals. Chris C with the Cleveland Browns. The Case Breakers with the Dallas Cowboys. Jimmy B with the Denver Broncos. Michael W with the Detroit Lions. Nicholas A with the Green Bay Packers. Kyle G with the Houston Texans. Will H with the Indianapolis Colts. Shane C with the Jacksonville Jaguars. Kenneth P with the Kansas City Chiefs. Shane C with the Miami Dolphins. The Case Breakers with the Minnesota Vikings. Michael W with the New England Patriots. Kenon W with the New Orleans Saints. Will H with the New York Giants. Chris C with the New York Jets. Kyle G with the Oakland Raiders. Michael W with the Philadelphia Eagles. Nicholas A with the Pittsburgh Steelers. Michael W with the San Diego Chargers. Michael W with the San Francisco 49ers. The Case Breakers with the Seattle Seahawks. Kenneth P with the St. Louis Rams. Chris C with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Chris C with the Tennessee Titans. And Michael W with the Washington Redskins. There you have it, guys. Don't forget to check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com, and follow us on Twitter at The Case Breakers.